What is going on, guys? I am Xbox Gaming, and today I'm gonna show you Cars 3 official trailer in 2017. Okay, so let's start.
And now, a Disney Cars 3. Let's do this thing. Go McQueen! It's Jackson Storm for the win. I have no idea what a pleasure it is for me to finally beat you. Or beat. I think you heard me. I can't do the same old thing. It won't work.
Then change it up. Try something new.
You know what I do? What?
I don't know. I got nothing.
I am Speed.
That is great. Did you come up with that?
Select the button below
Prepare to race.
Whoa.
and subscribe for more videos.
There you go.
I decide when I'm done.
Sense.
Disney Pixar's Cars 3 in 3D June 16th. You are about to be... Movie deals, infomercials. You think you're famous now? Mr. Sterling, what is this about? Every time you lose, you damage yourself. I'm sorry.
No, so like my
Your racing days are coming to an end. We can only hope that this race today wasn't his last. I decide when I'm done.
How you feeling?
Work. It's futile to win. You know what I do? What?
I don't know.
I am so excited to train you. I like a challenge. Junior project.
On your mark, get set, and go!
Storm set a new record today when ever recorded. How you feeling?
Have you seen the latest? This is my last chance. If I lose, I never get to do this again.
Don't fear failure. Be afraid of not having the chance. I used to watch you on TV, flying through the air. Fearless. I wish I knew what that felt like.
But you can be smarter than him. The racing is the reward, not the stuff.
Storm's chances of winning are 95.2%.
June 16. Oops. So guys, thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe to my channel.
This is my...
So guys, if you see the Cars 3, it's so good, guys. Bye, guys.